I got caught in this. Come on, man. Soon about to leave. Well, I guess I'm glad that it happened while I was inside instead of walking on the way home. I'm just gonna have to wait for it to pass. It's raining hard enough, so hopefully it passed quick since it's raining so hard. So I'm about to head back out. I found an artist shop. Say he was an independent artist, so I'm excited about that. But I seen some of the artwork he got in there, and he charged some money. He got his own spot, so he's not on the street. So I may have to pay a little bit more, but let me see what he got. See if we can do some business. But at the end of the day, money talk, right? So we're gonna see. I'm excited. This is what I'm looking for, some, original, authentic artwork. Not nothing that's copied or anything like that. Alright, so let's go see. So Angelise gave me the money for that tour that was canceled. And I asked her, I was like, you gonna get the $60 back from later? And she shook her head yes, so I hope she do, man. That lady was playing Angelise and talking about her reputation. I'm messing with her reputation and stuff like that. Okay, you take more customers to that lady if you want, so that lady can steal their dang on money. If something with the tour go wrong, that's gonna be on you. Talking about you need the money for insurance or something like that. Lady, you already supposed to be, you're a tour guide, you already supposed to be insured. In case something happens, you already supposed to be insured, so what are you talking about? You keeping my $20 for insurance? You're always supposed to be insured. Now you need to give me all my money back. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully Angelise get off her money back. If you don't, but I ain't in the business just giving my hard-earned money away unless I choose to. And for that nonsense, I didn't choose to, especially for the fact that when Angelise tried to ask to get the refund yesterday, she didn't even reply back to her. She only replied back to her after I said something. So that's number one. Number two, she's like, oh, and then it's canceled. Like I said, when you gonna tell us it was canceled? I don't know. I got my money back, so that's all I was worried about. I wasn't gonna get them no $20 for free. Yeah, I'm telling you, driving out here, man, like stop signs and traffic signals, those just like concepts. They ain't nothing to be taken serious. If they go through red lights, you don't see that many stop signs around. And when you do, they just drive right through them. So, I mean, it's aggressive driving at a whole new level. So, see, I wouldn't be driving down here. Especially I wouldn't be driving nothing nice down here. Alright. So I think the dude is down this way. Somewhere. I hope he ain't closed up. He had his doors open when I was on my way back. I think this might be him right here. Nope, closed door. Here he is, right here. Buenos.
How's your day in Panama?
So far, it's going good.
It's nice. I was having a nice day doing my work, full of inspiration.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this?
This is 10 years of work. I have old paintings, new ones, commissions I do for people.
Yeah, I seen that. About to ask you. That's a commission right there, huh?
Yes, I could do your comedy portraits too. I could do also another idea, could be more abstract, anything you love. And then I've been trying to develop this side.
You say you've been trying to get rid of it?
This one.
The stuff is huge, man. That's probably why it's hard to get rid of. It's big stuff.
Any painting could be taken off on the frame.
Okay.
This could be removed and rolled. Very nice.
All right.
Pieces. Somebody asked me here for some instruments. Instruments and colors.
So that's what you're working on now?
Really, every day is like a celebration here. What I have already done in my history as an artist and the new ideas I bring to interact and communicate something. It's a very important priority for me. Not only draw beautiful things, but also draw about what is happening to us as a society.
Right. So you was out for the protest yesterday?
I was here watching the things, and I really have been watching this problem about these companies trying to come here and take the resources.
Yeah.
So that's why everybody is fighting against some politics, politicians, which corrupt minds and intentions. Art also is a good reaction against stuff like that.
Yeah, right.
And then I really, that's why I work. That's why for me it makes sense to do art, because sometimes also I can, communicate my thoughts about social political realities. Also your portrait quickly, like watching you. I could do charcoal, I could do black and white, I could do This is also colors.
Oh, collage.
This is for the sample. This is a sample.
Is somebody waiting to come and pick that up?
No, this is me trying to draw myself without no mirror.
Oh.
You understand? I didn't. Some elements may be far away, but some of them closer. This is what I remember about me.
Okay. Are you selling these that you got hung up?
Yes, I'm selling. Thanks God, I'm selling. Let's see where I can continue and keep going forward.
Like for instance, how much are you selling this one for? The kids playing?
This one, 3,500.
Woo!
4,000 for this one. Something like this one here. I'll charge 600 and 150 for that one. This is a Victoria. Original pieces also. This one, the Panama Canal, 400. Also another original, same price for that one. This is that corner.
Right over there.
Already. Yes, I'm from Cuba. A long time ago when I started in Panama.
Yeah.
I used to sell right here by the corner.
Oh, that's where you used to sell your artwork.
Outside the streets. I slowly I got this possibility, to make some economy and rent this a place like this. Better presentation.
Okay, that's good, man.
It's a good time right now. For my work, for my activity as a artist.
Okay.
Feel like the beginning of many good experience. I believe coming up. Exhibitions in other countries.
Okay.
Hope to bring my art to you guys too.
To the U.S.?
Yes.
Yeah, especially I like. Where'd you get the idea for the stick with the phone on it?
Because a long time ago, I make like a ceramic computer mouse and a stick tied with some animal skin. Then at that time I was already thinking about the contrast between the primitive tool, the concept,
and something modern.
The technology as a product of this civilization,
Okay.
The modernism and everything.
That's why the suit. You got the suit on. It's very modern. But with the stick and a phone on it.
It's like a modern character, but express a kind of primitive mentality. Contrast I see all the time.
Okay. Are you finished with this?
Yeah, almost done. Just watching what to do again, like a little gusher,
That's very nice, man. So, this one right here. Would you let it go for 150?
I used to say like that when I was on the streets. I always explain to people what is happening today with this. It's a totally different experience. Probably that's right. Me watching that situation right now, I can say for more than 400 and more, sometimes than 4,000.
Really?
Trust me.
Okay.
Then something like this. Right now, even that price you know, I think I can sell it for that price. But,
For 400.
But I have been
Yeah.
experimenting good possibilities.
Yeah.
Selling my art, me alone,
Uh-huh.
far away from the monopoly of art galleries, far away from, you know,
I know what you're
just
saying.
like an
Independent, yeah.
artist.
No overhead. Yeah. Well, except for you gotta pay for the rents of this place.
Yeah, this is a nice piece. Or sometimes 100, 200 is what you pay for frame it, you know.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Also, a print
Uh-huh.
could be that price. That's why
Oh.
I really believe 400. You know, even this one, the same price. I have been watching, listening people ask me,
Mm-hmm.
and telling me for less price, and then I fight, you know, for my art, you know.
I understand.
I give you this one for 150, and you get original too. It's a same cam set of all casco viejo. This one also come out very original with really brush strokes. This one too, also, this one look a little more classic. You know? This one could be a little more like modernism style.
Mm-hmm. See, I like this one because when I look at it, I recognize this and I recognize that.
Yeah, the contrast.
So that's why I like it. Yeah.
The contrast between the history and the modernism that we have behind at the end of the perspective.
Uh-huh.
But this one is also nice. You know?
It's nice. I mean.
You don't even need to frame it. You can have paint all over. And it look like an original piece. You know? That's it. Because it's not overworked. It's like very straight up. Everything like pieces, clap, 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 like building.
See, the only difference for me is that when I look at this one, I don't necessarily see Panama when I look at this one because this can be the style of the houses and stuff. That can be like New Orleans, Colombia. Also have styles like that. But this one, I know that's when I look at it, I was like, that's Panama.
Yeah.
I know that church, that's Panama.
Yes, this is a very famous.
Yeah, that flat church, right?
The arch.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
People tell me the history of
right.
how important, you know, for the people who built the canal. And when they saw that arch still structure alive, you know?
Okay.
They think like we don't have any earthquake and stuff like that. And we can build the canal in this country. It's the best location.
Okay. What about I can do 200?
Still, I feel like you can sell that one for
yeah, but when are you gonna sell it?
Discount like $20-$40. You know?
So 360. With the 380. It's a little too high for me right now. I got after I leave here, I got other places that I'm going. So, but I have your card.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I can send it to your country. I feel like really can, you know. I saw something just now.
What?
So, like this. Can they see it up?
Yeah.
Let me show you the photo. This one. I got 1,000 for this one. Like this size, 4 square.
And he sold it for 1,000.
2,000. Just looking for a little bit more. Pieces like that, more personal. I'm selling it for money.
Okay.
Then you got to trust what is happening here. Because
you got trust in yourself. I understand.
It's going to keep growing up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Mister. Yeah.
I'm Thomas. I'm Thomas, by the way.
How's your day in Panama?
I got caught in the rain, man. Remember when I first seen you, I went to get some food and I came back, got caught in the rain. But other than that, it's going okay.
The first time in the country?
Actually, I came. The first time I was here, I just stayed in the airport. I had a layover, so I was just in the airport. The second time I came, I did a little tour. I was on a cruise, and I did a tour. And I came down to talk to somebody, so they've been showing me around. So I'm here for like another week, and then I'm going on another cruise.
Now there is a little situation, but still it's a good country, good people.
Yeah.
You got how all this area is quiet right now.
Right, yeah, it is.
But still, you got to fight for, because the government is taking opportunity, and the politician is very nasty behavior.
All the time.
And then give you an offer, you take it for that price. I give you a nice portrait. And you can take 2 pieces. A portrait. That painting is special. I feel that painting is a special piece.
I would think about it if you give me the portrait that you did of yourself. That you did of yourself, the one that you.
I like it too.
Yeah.
I like it too. I don't even have it outside
because you like it.
It's like experience of me trying to see myself.
Right. How often do you look at it?
I was basically practicing because I got to draw as much as I can.
Yeah.
I have another painting here. I'm trying to keep it also. But one day I will need to see my own collection. I'm selling.
Yeah. Okay.
This is, for example, a painting I bring from Cuba.
You did that in Cuba?
1998. This painting, a lot of people want to buy it. Also, I keep it for me.
What is it?
Because that's the only one I have. The only one I have from that
from Cuba.
Express the situation in my country. I have many memories about it.
Yeah. Okay. I understand that. You got a lot of stuff with the memories, man. You don't need 2. I said I do this. Okay. I do the 400 for that, but I like the painting. I like the one that you did of yourself. Yeah, 400 for that, and the one that you did of yourself.
If I said that portrait, I would.
You can make another one. You can make another one.
I could do a nice one for you, man.
I don't want a portrait of myself. I look at myself all the time in the mirror.
It's not simply the perspective, the artist's perspective.
Yeah.
And what you see on the mirror.
Okay.
Even if I see myself, wake up one day and wash your hands. And don't think about nothing, just wash your hands. It's like, what is this, It's like, because always art gives you that experience to see things in a very
certain way.
Way, very different way, very spontaneous way.
All right. Okay, man. I understand.
Even I use it for as an example. Tell people how I draw.
Okay.
Right
You're drawing.
I don't have anything else.
Well, you got. I see this.
This one is more like a painting. It's like that style.
Yeah.
Yes. And this one, I have it in my website for $2,000.
2,000?
It's like I can give you my website. You can
Oh,
see.
it's not on your card?
No, that's a new one.
Oh, okay.
A friend from Maryland made it for me.
See, look, guess where I live at?
Yeah.
Guess where I live
So
at?
I should send to my friend something with you.
I live in Maryland too. I live in Baltimore, Maryland.
Yeah, I might visit too. Maybe next year.
You go? Oh, you go
Maybe
what?
I could do like a mirror for you or something.
Uh,
Your work.
I like more. I like more original stuff.
Yeah. There is some paintings like more with more colors in this room. Some other paintings more dramatic, more black and white, or less colors. You know?
Oh,
But everything for me is part of the balance I need, you know.
Okay.
Sometimes get away from this drama and draw something just beautiful, you know, something beautiful. It is a moment between a man and a woman, you know, it's like paradise. You know what I mean?
I hear you. I hear you.
It's a moment, the music, inspiration.
Okay. Well,
even if I draw you profile like this, you know, side or any different perspective that you might to get a new impression, different to yesterday or anything.
so let me ask you, what is these two buildings? Where are they at?
This building coming up. That building. See the one with the two lights and that.
Oh, the two lights. Oh, that's those two buildings.
That one. And the one behind. These two sections.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But that photo is like 15 years ago.
15?
10 years ago, 15 years ago.
Oh, that's how I looked 15 years ago.
Yeah. 10 years ago, I remember that place a little bit different. More like that. And now it's more like.
Okay. I don't think you said you had a website, and I didn't. You have a card with your website on it?
Yes, I have. But the website is.
That's the one that you gave me before, right?
Yes, I have to write for you the website.
Okay.
Or send it to your phone or something like that. Let me show you the website I'm talking about.
Take that clothes off, dude. Take that clothes off before you get sick, you understand?
This is our part.
Okay.
Can type my name.
Okay, let me see. Lafrance?
And you will see all the paintings.
Okay, yep, this you.
That one, for example, this painting.
Yeah, right there.
Boca and your mom.
Woo! Okay.
Yeah, I think it's going good. You saw this one already.
You did?
So this one for.
That's this one.
Yeah, you saw that one.
So when you gotta ship it, you gotta ship it off.
The man, he lived like around this area.
Oh, okay.
He paid me already half, and then he coming now with another half.
Okay.
He's an architect.
Architect.
And this is one of the business I start trying to develop in Panama. I think I speak about my vision about big countries and the result of this is life in big cities. Could be
Okay.
could be another big country.
I like it because I work in the DC Metro system. I work in like the train station, so we have a lot of escalators.
Like that, right?
Yeah, so I see this all the time. That's why I like that, because I see this all the time.
This is how people mix, with the disappear between everyday routine and how we lose our life, in the same system.
Everyday routine, same routine every day.
It's my impression.
Okay, I do like that.
I show this area of people fighting, the energy of life, trying to get to whatever the point we're looking for.
Yeah.
Our responsibilities, going to work, come back home. It's an energy, powerful. It's a humanity.
Okay. All right, man. See, I think you talked me into it, and I will take this one, but I will take it because I've been sitting here talking to you.
Yeah.
So when people ask about it, I can say, "Oh yeah, I got this from an artist in Panama named Lafrance." Yeah.
All right.
And I got a story to tell people when they
It's
ask
original.
about it. It is. Yes, it is.
Visa or anything?
Huh?
Card, Visa or something like that?
A card?
Visa or...
Oh no, cash.
Okay.
Maybe we can do like a selfie together, like this.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I'm glad you said that because I've just been recording. Yeah. Let's get this up. All right, let me do a timer.